Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your floating keyboard on a Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on search and you can see this keyboard. Click on this button and here it is floating keyboard. You can see this, it is floating right now, and you can resize this. You can see this, increase or decrease or its size also. You can see this, and if you want to back to normal, then click on this setting and end up floating. It is there. And if it is not working, then you have to just simply click on settings, click on apps. Here it is, see all apps. You have to search here Gboard. You can see this, and then you have to clear cache this, and it will be working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.